Let's go to the exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answers. First is the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. Now, if you go for this solution, here we will have January is the month having starting with letter J, beginning with letter J. Then comes June, July, and these are only 3 months. So here nobody or everybody's answer will be same. It means here it is well defined. Since all the elements are well defined, it is a set. So collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J is a set. Now if you see the second question, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Here answer will vary from one person to the other person. It means it is not well defined. When you talk about most talented, here these most talented writers will vary from person to person. So all the objects are not clearly defined. Hence it is not a set. So this cannot be written in the form of set. So it is not a set. Next question is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen. So best cricket batsmen, again the term best cricket will vary from every person to person, and hence it is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class. You know how many boys are there in your class? From roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be certain limit up to 50. After that, there won't be any other boys. So the collection of all boys in your class, all answers will be same. If all students are writing the answer, they will write from roll number 1, whatever is the strength. If 50 is the strength, they can write 1 to 50 boys in the class. So it is a set. Since answer does not change, it is a set. The next is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So if you see the answer, natural numbers less than, natural number starts with 1, 2, 3 and they go up to less than 100 means 99. So everybody's answer is same. So it also forms a set and it is a set. It is a set. Reason is all the elements are well defined. Sixth question is a collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand. So Munshi Premchand have written some novels and the number is fixed, their names are fixed. So all the elements are well defined, so it forms a set. So it is a set. Reason is all elements are well defined. The collection of even integers. So even integers are also fixed, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these integers are also fixed. So solution will not change. Hence it also forms a set. It forms a set. Reason is all elements are well defined. The next question is the collection of questions in this chapter. So if you open the text, you will get some questions. Those questions are fixed and everybody's answers will be same. So it also forms a set. It forms a set. Reason is same again. All elements are well defined. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. These most dangerous will vary from person to person and hence it cannot form a set since most dangerous is not well defined. So this is not it. It is not this. It cannot form a set. It is not a set. Reason is elements are not well defined. Second question is let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to in the blank spaces. So here 5 is the 5 present in this set. So 5 is in the set. So we say 5 belongs to set A. Next is 8. If 8 is not there, we say 8 does not belong to set A. We are asked to insert belongs to and not belongs to in the empty spaces. So third is 0. 0 does not belong to set A. 4 belongs to set A. Then 2 belongs to set A. 10 is not in the set, so it does not belong to set A. And third question, write the following sets in roster form. Now roster forms means by using the commas. So see the first question, A is a set of x such that x is an integer and it is greater than -3 and less than 7. So all the integers which are bigger than -3 and less than 7 are A is equal to, please understand, -2 is greater than -3. Please understand the meaning. This is strictly greater than, x is strictly greater than, not equal to. So here we have to take greater than, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is equal to 7. 7 is not less than 7. So you will get x less than 7 means only up to 6. So this is the answer. A is a set of -2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next question is, B is a set of x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please understand this is less than 6. Less than 6 means 6 will not come. 6 is equal to 6. 6 is not less than 6. So natural numbers less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third is, C is the set of x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. It is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Sum of those digits is 8. If you take, now you will get 08. 08 is not a 2-digit number, so you cannot write 08. So we have to write, next is 17. 17. Here sum of the digits is 8. Then next is 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then next is 3, 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Next is 4, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then next is 5, 3. That is 53. Then comes 62. Then comes 71. And lastly comes 80. So if you check all the sums, sum of the digits is 8. So these are 2-digit natural numbers which are having sum of the digits as 8. First is, fourth question is, D is a set of x where x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Now we know the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now we want such prime numbers which are divisors of 60. So divisors of 60 are 2, 3, 5. Then if you notice, you will not get 23 also, and you will not get any other. So it means it is a set of 2, 3 and 5. Then next is the set of all letters of the word trigonometry. So E is a set of, this is D is a set of, here E is a set of T, then comes R, then comes I, then comes G, then comes O, then comes N. Please note, O again comes, so we cannot write O repeatedly. It means O cannot be written. Then we have to write M. Then comes E. Then comes T. T is already written. Then comes R. It is also already written. And lastly comes Y. So it is a set of, E is a set of T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. And lastly, the set of the letters of the word better. So F is a set of B, E, T and R. These T and E are repeated, so they will not come in the roster form.